if you're not like actually building the foundation models yourself, there's a limit to what you have available to you in terms of things you could do to like improve the performance. Like, what are the levers that you guys are using to try and improve the performance of these agents? And then how are you actually taking user feedback? What is the user feedback, by the way? Like, is it thumbs up, thumbs down? Is there more to it than that? And then how do you translate that into like improvements in the agentic behavior overall?
Sure. Yeah. So initially it was thumbs up, thumbs down. You can leave free text, whatever, what you didn't like, what went wrong. As we moved more towards like true agents and teams of agents and hierarchies of agents, then what we're doing now, or we'll be doing very soon, is giving you visibility into the steps that the agent performed and almost drag and drop like, well, no, you shouldn't have done this first. You should have done that first, or you shouldn't have done that at all. If thinking in terms of agents, right, because that's just front and center these days. If it does something wrong, then, well, let's break that down. An agent is just, some entity that has access to tools and it's making tool calls, providing inputs, interpreting the outputs, and then deciding if it should call the next tool or if it's done, right? So if it does something wrong, then it either called the wrong tool or it performed the wrong sequence or the inputs to the tool was incorrect, et cetera, largely. So again, giving visibility to the users on what it did in a way that they'll understand and then can easily spot like, oh yeah, that was where you messed up. Okay, great. Let's say I can record that, but now what? Right? That's the tricky part. So some things that we've explored is the kind of encoding of those corrections, sort of like just embedding those essentially in a vector database, kind of side by side with all the organizational history and context. But for this particular thing, it's going to be used whenever an agent starts up. Hey, do I have any semantically similar queries to what I'm being asked to do now? Oh, I do. Oh, and this one, they said thumbs up. I did it perfectly. What were the steps I performed? Oh, well, this one, it was a thumbs down. I did this when I should have done that, and so you sort of give that information to the agent to influence its decision making is, I'd say, one approach, and so far seems to be working quite well. But I wouldn't claim that again that we've fully cracked the nut, and that's sort of the fun part is you kind of feel like there's people much smarter than I coming out with papers all the time, which I do, try to stay on top of and read, which is hard. But you sort of feel like you're on the frontier a little bit, at least right now, with figuring this stuff out. And to me, that's exciting.